Before I came in Gashora, I thought education was all about classroom. But once I was introduced to this wonderful community, I discovered that actually education goes way beyond classroom. We get to experience, grow, learn, and pursue different dreams through clubs, arts, sports.
We get to learn from different workshops, for instance, leadership and healthcare provisions, and we get to serve our communities through community service programs and charity projects.
For this reason, I thank Boeing for sponsoring the whole girl program and making holistic education possible for Rwanda girls.